Want to do engineering and that too from top college whose placement record are compared with IITs, NITs and triple IITs? Then this video is for you. Every year more than 10 to 12 lakh students appear for JEE main exam, but only 2% make it to the top tier institute. This leaves lakhs of students wondering if they still have a chance to study in a top engineering college with a good placement. And the answer is yes, because India has several outstanding engineering colleges that not may carry the IIT tag, but their curriculum, industry exposure, lab, and placement support are strong enough to give students good career opportunities. And one such educational hub is Chennai, which has emerged as a tech educational center in India. So watch this video till the end as we are going to see top engineering college in Chennai. With NIRF ranking, we will discuss their placement, fees, ranking, cutoffs, and overall credibility to help you decide your engineering college. Taking the number 1 position is Indian Institute of Technology Madras. IIT Madras was established in 1959. This government institute has held NIRF ranking 1, making it the best engineering college in India. The placement percentage stands at 94% and the median salary is 46 LPA. The tuition fee is around 8 to 10 LPA based on course you choose. According to JEE Advanced Cutoff, the closing rank for BTech CAC is around 171 for general category candidate. Now, before I introduce the next college, I want to talk about the institute that is revolutionizing education. I am talking about Intellipaat School of Technology IST. This institute has been commended by Ved Tiwari, CEO of National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India. But what makes IST truly unique? Instead of just producing engineers, IST focuses on building innovators, entrepreneurs, and tech product creators. Unlike traditional institute, IST has been designed by industry experts with faculty from Google, Microsoft, Meta, along with experienced IIT professors. The focus here is not just on theory but real world practical learning. You will master AI, ML, cloud, and other cutting edge technologies essential for success in today's tech driven world. You will spend 5,000 plus hours coding, not just working on project but building real tech product like designing cloud infrastructure for large scale application like Amazon. And it doesn't stop there. IST provide hands-on training on scaling your product into a startup through Innovation Hub. You will even get the chance to pitch your idea to VCs for funding while still in college. At IST, you won't just be job ready, you will be entrepreneurship ready. Beyond academics, IST offer incredible opportunities like participating in International Tech Summit in Dubai and Singapore, visiting Man companies' campuses to see how top tech firms operate, and even earning minor degree from IIT. IST has multiple campuses across Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, and more. And students receive BTech degree through IST partnership universities. To get into IST, you need to clear IST entrance test followed by a personal interview. The website link is in the description. Check it out now and apply today for this unique opportunity. Moving on to our next college on the list, at second position we have SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. Established in 1985 with an NIRF ranking 11, SRM admissions are based on merit or entrance exam score of the candidate. The basic eligibility for UG course is class 12 with minimum of 50% marks, and SRM also conducts its own entrance exam for CSE students, that is SRM JEE. Scholarships are also provided based on the result of the exam. The tuition fee for the 4-year BTech program is approximately rupees 11 to 23 lakhs depending on the course. The placement percentage here is 91% with a median salary of 6.2 LPA. At the third position, we have Anna University, Chennai. This government university established in 1978 with an NIRF ranking 20, making it top engineering institute not only in Chennai but also in India. When we talk about admission, it is based on TNE counseling, that is Tamil Nadu Engineering Admission. In the last admission round, the cutoff rank ranged between 28 to 2.3 lakh with a specialization program at lower cutoff. The total tuition fees goes up to 13 lakhs depending on the specialization you choose. The placement percentage is 66% and the median salary is around 8 LPA. Now coming to our fourth position, we have Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Science, Chennai. Established in 2005, this private institute is ranked at 11th position in NIRF ranking, making it one of the highest ranked institute in Chennai. For admission into BTech program, students need a minimum of 45% in class 12 with a selection process carried out through aptitude test, SEAT plus TNEA counseling, with the last round closing at rank 15,532 last year. For BE and BTech students, fees range between 1.4 lakh to 9 lakhs, depending on the course you choose. The placement percentage here is around 60%, with the median salary stands at approximately 4.72 LPA. Now moving forward to our next college, at number 5th, we have Satyabhana Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. This university was established in 1987. This is a private university ranked at 51 in NIRF ranking. Now coming to admission in BTech program, it is primarily through entrance exam, that is SAEEE. The eligibility for it is PCM with at least 50% marks. Coming to the fees, it goes up to 22 lakhs depending on the course you choose, with placement percentage being 91.4%, and the median salary is approximately 6 LPA. And with that college, it's a wrap of a list of top engineering college in Chennai. Tell me in the comment section which college you get in. We will see you in the next one.